Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz Tutorials. In this video we will be learning about how to locate root 5 on the number line. We have done so for root 2 and root 3, and this is our third video where we will be plotting or locating an irrational number on the number line using the protractor. That means we are not going to completely use our compass, but using a protractor it becomes easier. So let's begin first. So for that, once again we will first draw a line. Okay, and once again we will be using the inches side of your scale this way. Okay, and I'll draw a bigger line this time, and I'll mark it up to 3 this time. I'll tell you why. Okay, we have drawn marked 0 1 2 3 over here. Why do we need 3? See, square root of draw over here, square root of 4 is equal to 2, we know. Okay, now we are trying to locate root 5. That means root 5 has to go or come somewhere over here beyond 2, and that is why we need to stretch it to 3. So root 5 will be just beyond 2, so that is what we need to locate. So unlike root 2 and root 3 where we just took 1 unit, this time we'll take 2 units, and from 2 we will construct a perpendicular. So let's do that. So I'll keep the point over here on 2. Okay, I'll mark this point here, and we just need to draw a straight line from that point to 2 this way. So we just draw a straight line from the point to 2. So this is our perpendicular. We mark this over here, and then we just cut 1 unit on this particular line. Okay, so for that I'll take the measurement from 0 to 1. You can take, or you can take it use the scale as well. There you go. Okay, so that's 1 unit, and then I will keep the pointer on 2 and cut an arc on this line. That is 1 unit, and where this arc cuts this line from here, I will not draw a line joining 1 but joining 0. Okay, so that's 0 to this line this way. Okay, now this is supposed to be root 5, and I'll show you how. What we'll do is this is 2, right? From here to this is 2 units. This is 1 unit. I'll mark this as A, this, let this be as O, and let this be as B. Okay, so 2. And now this is 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have OA square, which is the hypotenuse. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that will be AB square plus OB square. Now OA is what we need to find out. AB we have taken as 1 or constructed 1, so 1 whole square, and OB we have taken as 2, so 2 whole square. So OA square will be equal to 1 plus 2 square is 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. OA square is equal to 5, and this implies that OA will be square root of 5. So that's how we get this as root 5. So mark this as root 5, and then the same procedure that we have done for root 2 and root 3, that is we have to take the measurement of this line using the compass. So I've taken the measurement here, you can see. Okay, now with this measurement I need to keep the pointer on 0 this way and ensure that it goes through this point, and then mark or cut an with the help of an arc on this line. this number line. And where this arc intersects with this line or cuts this line, we mark that point, and that point becomes our root 5. Okay, so that's how we get square root of 5. Very easy. Only difference between root 2 and root 5 is that instead of taking 1 unit, we take 2 units. We cut 1 unit on this perpendicular after drawing the perpendicular, and that's how we get root 5. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for more such videos.